Hello and welcome. Now, in this course, we're going to be talking about one of the best ways to create and sell information products. And we are going to be talking about how you can create your own Warrior Special Offer or WSO. And it's actually one of the best ways to get started creating information products because you have a built-in system for traffic. There are people who are already there who are interested in buying information products to learn how to make more money online. So it's a great way for you to launch your first product. It's a great way for you to build a customer base and a loyal following in terms of what you're able to deliver in the marketplace. Now, one of the reasons that is advantageous is because WSOs now only cost $20 to launch and advertise. And they used to cost $40 before there was new ownership in the Warrior form. So these advertising costs and launch costs are significant because they're going to allow you to take some of that capital and actually not only put it into your product, but then also to reserve it in order to do more advertising. We're going to be talking about that in this course. Now, you might ask, what actually holds people back from actually delivering their own WSO? I mean, if it's so good, why doesn't everybody do it? And one of the problems that people run into is really overcoming the technical hurdles. I mean, there are technical aspects to being able to deliver a WSO. Now, we're going to be talking about those in this course, and we're going to actually show you how to overcome them and how you can literally put the right things in place so that your WSO is actually going to sell. So we're going to help you over those technical hurdles in this course. Now, there's also the management of the WSO. There are aspects of taking people from the actual purchase process all the way to being able to get their product and actually leading them to actually buy more products and services to you. Management is very important in addition to your being able to support your customers. Now, there's a fine line between management and support during a WSO because you have a forum and people can comment when they're having support issues as well as when people are having questions. And that mix of things, you want to be able to manage that process so that you get the maximum number of sales and so that your customers feel good about what they've actually purchased. And that kind of leads into a fourth issue, and that's really dealing with your customers. Not just dealing with the prospects, not just dealing with people who have questions about your product or people who are on the fence about your product. You want to be able to establish good relationships with your customers and managing your WSO, using the best practices of those individuals who have launched WSOs and been successful in building a customer base. You want to take those best practices and put them into your business. Now, this course, we're going to take you all the way from creating your WSO thread all the way through to managing your thread to getting people into your marketing funnel. And these are very important things to be able to do because if you can launch great products and services on the Warrior Special Offer form, you can build a customer base and you can actually build a list. I'm going to be talking about that in this course. So as you go through the course, one of the things that you want to think about is what can you deliver to people? What is it that you have a level of expertise doing? What have you learned that you can teach other people how to do? And what is it that you have insight on? Or what have you noticed that other people have not noticed that you can really give people insight on that will help them to make more money in their business? Those are going to be the things that you're going to want to be thinking about as you deliver your WSO. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the first video.